What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick unboxing and kind of overview on why I purchased these as my next headphones. I personally have not had any dedicated open back studio headphones in probably over 10 years. Previously I owned the Beyerdynamic 770s, I believe. I believe that was one of the 700 series, the cheaper 149. I think it was the 80 ohm. And I did not know anything about headphones then, and never got an amp for it, so I probably never got the full potential out of it. But I originally wanted the Beyerdynamic DT 1990s, but I couldn't justify the $600 price point or the $449, $500 whenever they're on sale. So I kind of went in the road with something that I thought would suit my needs the best. Headphones are very subjective. There's different varieties out there for everybody, and I went with the Sennheiser HD 600s. Two reasons. Well, three maybe. First, I've always had good luck with Sennheiser products before in the past. I've had some of their in-ear headphones before, and I've really had good luck out of them. I've used their customer service, and it was actually pretty good. The second other reason was I only paid $249 for these. Generally, they are around $400 for retail. I get a discount through these through work, and I paid $249 for them, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. Let's see what else. That was really it. I also looked at the Beyerdynamic 990 Pros, the 250 ohm version, but I thought these may be a little bit bang for the buck, and I like that the cable detaches, so that's nice. Another reason is that these are very balanced headphones from what I've read, and they're very easy to listen to and easy on the ears, so they're not very bass heavy like some of the Beyerdynamic or the the Hi-Fi Men planar headphones out there. Sometimes they can be a little bass heavy, maybe a little fatiguing on your ears. This is what I'll probably use most of the time for video editing, music listening to, or basically anytime I'm at my desktop down here. So let's get in, see what's in here. The first thing I noticed is that the box is fairly light, so I assume these are not going to be extremely heavy headphones. These are very old design. I believe they're 1992 is when they were released. Not positive, but they're very, very old headphones when it comes to designs. They have the 650s, 660s out currently. So you get a little owner's manual here. I do not know how long of a warranty these actually have on these. They do need an amp and DAC to likely, or at least an amp to probably get the full potential out of them. I would not buy these if you're not going to get an amp with them. I went with the Magni 3, and then the Modi 3 Plus also for the amp and DAC combo. I didn't need anything fancy. Those were the cheapest options that I've heard are some of the best amps out there for the bang for your buck money. And I've also heard and read that they can drive just about anything out there, so I didn't need anything super high notch. So you have your standard cord here, which these always most of the time do attach to regular 3x5. I believe that's 3.5. I don't know what this is, 2.5 maybe? So it does look like you have a very long cable, which some people may complain about, but I personally actually like that the cable's long. I have plenty of places to hide the cable, but the headphones I were using on this were not long enough, so I had to drag my desktop over and kind of tilt everything over that way to actually be able to listen to them. And then you have your actual headphones here. I believe these detach. Yes, so they do detach. That was one thing that I like about them, is that they detach, whereas in the Beyerdynamic 990 Pros do not. So just overall look and feel of these, a little worn right there. So the only thing about ordering from Amazon, sometimes you get some sketchy stuff from there that you tell has been used. They do feel like maybe they are some type of aluminum. Like up here feels like an aluminum design. But overall I like the design of them. Let's see if I put them on right. This says right, this says left. So, ooh, they are tight. I know that these will loosen up over time, but ooh, these are tight. So that's my first impression, is that they are very, very tight against your ears. I know it takes some time to open these up. The padding on the top of these doesn't feel extremely sufficient. Well, let's put them on again. I guess they'll wear in. They don't feel like the most comfortable headphones in the world, but they feel similar to my Beyerdynamic, the 770s, at least from what I recall. They have a good clamping force to them. They feel well built. Plenty of adjustments there, so you have plenty of room. They'll fit just about anybody. I'm really excited to get these wore in because I know headphones do take a little bit of time to kind of stretch out and get accustomed to your head. So that's really it. These are made in Germany. I'm pretty sure Sennheiser is a Germany company, but I'm actually another thing sure is that I'm pretty sure they sold off their Sennheiser brand and sold it to someone else. I don't think they're going to be messing around with it anymore, which is kind of sad. It's a good company. They make good headphones, good microphones also. So if you need a microphone, they make really good microphones. And that's it. Excited to see how they are. If you can get these for $250, I think it's a great deal. Good bang for your buck. They're tried and true. They've been around forever, and they should last you forever as long as you take care of them. Even if you took them out and traveled with them, which I don't know if I'd recommend because they really need an amp, at least some type of small amp to probably get any type of useful use out of them. We'll see. I'll plug them in without my amp and DAC because it hasn't came yet and see what kind of sound I get. That's it. Comments, questions, leave them below. These are frequently on sale for $249, $275 on Amazon. So you can pick them up there. There's all kinds of other small outlets to get them too if you want to try to get them locally. We have an audio store down towards Cincinnati that actually had them in stock for the same price on Amazon. They'll match that stuff, so you can get them locally probably too. So that's it. Comments, questions, leave them below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.